Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. Today we are going to talk about something very important. It's the difference between masculine and feminine nouns. But don't worry, I'll explain it in the simplest way. So let's jump into the video. In French, every noun is either masculine or feminine. That means every object, every person, even place, even thing like a book or a table has a gender. For example, le livre means the book is masculine. La table means the table is feminine. In English, we just say the book or the table. But in French, we have to say lo or la, depending on whether the word is masculine or feminine. In French, articles show the gender. The little word before the noun, lo, la, elle apostrophe, tells you the gender. Lo for masculine words, la for feminine words. Elle apostrophe used before a vowel, like a, e, e, u, or silent ash. It works for both. Examples: le garçon, the boy, it's masculine. La fille, the girl, it's feminine. L'école, the school, it's feminine. L'hôpital, the hospital, it's masculine. So, how to guess if a word is masculine or feminine? We can't. Yeah, we can't. Sometimes it's hard to know, but there are some common endings that can help you guess. For example, for masculine endings, it's often with ash, like le fromage means cheese, ma means the government. For example, like le bateau, it's boat. We have le tourisme endings. We often have TI or SION at the ending, like sion, nation, zion, museum. We have at the ending, like la baguette. But there is not any rules. You should memorize it. For people and professions. When we talk about people, the gender changes according to the person. For example, un ami, a male friend, une amie, a female friend. The same for jobs. Un acteur, a male actor, une actrice, a female actress. Usually, to make the feminine form, we just add e at the end, like petit, it's masculine. Petite, it's feminine. Content, it's masculine. Contente, it's feminine. Étudiant, étudiante. When the word starts with a vowel, remember, when the noun starts with a vowel, we use L apostrophe instead of le or la. Example, l'homme, the man, l'école, the school, le, the water. This rule is just to make pronunciation smoother. Instead of saying la école, we say l'école. Easier to say, right? So, we have plural forms when there is more than one. Both lo and la become les. Exemple, le livre, les livres, la table, les tables. Now I'd like to say some French words. Some are masculine and some are feminine. Your practice for today is very important and very simple. try to memorize each words are masculine and each are feminine. It's really important because in French, the gender changes how you use articles and adjectives. So, listen carefully, repeat after me, and most importantly, remember the gender of each one. So, let's get started. Le livre, le livre. La table, la table. L'école, l'école. L'hôpital, l'hôpital. Le garçon, le garçon. La fille, la fille. Le fromage, le fromage. La baguette, la baguette. Le bateau, le bateau. La culture, la culture. Very good. Try to repeat these words several times and memorize their gender. Remember, there is no perfect rule, but with time and practice, you'll start to feel what sounds right in French. Let's review together. Le is for masculine. La is for feminine. L apostrophe before a vowel, always before a vowel, for both genders. Le, plural. And to guess gender, look at the ending of the word. It's just for guessing. Words ending in age, man, ism, usually masculine. Words ending in sion, zion, te, et, usually feminine. Now, it's your turn. I'll say a few French nouns, and I want you to tell me which one is masculine or feminine. You can say your answer out loud or just think about that. Let's practice. Livre, livre. La bla bla, livre. Table. Hôpital. École. Garçon. Fille. Fromage. Culture. Bateau. Baguette. All right, let's check the answer together. Le livre. La table. L'hôpital. L'école. Le garçon. La fille. Le fromage. La culture. Le bateau. La baguette. How many did you get right? If you made mistakes, no worries, that's how we learn. Great job, everyone. Today you learned one of the most important parts of French grammar, masculine and feminine nouns. Remember, there is no perfect rule, so the best way is to listen, repeat, and memorize. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you 1,000 times for watching, and see you soon in the next lesson.